This is a quick little video on how to use video in commercial cleaning and janitorial proposals. Often when people think about videos and YouTube, they just think about YouTube and how can I go viral, how can I get my video ranked higher. But video is just content, and once you create a video on YouTube, you can use it in multiple different ways. And one of the ways that I'm going to show you is in your janitorial or commercial cleaning proposals. And this can apply to really any specialty industry, any proposal, whether it's 12 pages, 1 or 2 pages. And this is just the first page of our sample proposal. And what I did is when you create a document and then save it as a PDF, we then can also insert a video. So let's say, for argument's sake, that during a walkthrough, during the bid, the customer is complaining about how the restrooms, the condition of the restrooms, the smell of the restrooms. And we happen to have a video about restrooms. Then that would be one of the hot buttons. So right in front and center in the first page of the proposal, I would include that. Now, this is just an example. It may be hiring practices, it may be carpets, it may be 10 gazillion other things. But that's why we want to create an inventory of content, and one of that is YouTube videos, because once that question comes up, we can then insert it in our proposal. And that is going to make you really stand out compared to your competition. 99.9% of your competitors are never going to do something like this. So this is a great way to really stand out. My name is Shane Dubell. Our company is Method Clean Biz. And for more resources, you can visit our website at Method